is your emergency?
I think a tornado just went down Moeller Road.
Yes, we're on tornado warning.
You see that from where you at? Your place?
Okay.
Take cover.
Okay. 12 from 20. I'm getting a lot of rain up here.
Attention all officers. There was a report, Tazewell County just called over, southeast Tazewell County, near Washington. Saw a cloud. Looks like it's coming down. Department, may I help you?
Hey, it's the fire department.
Yeah.
You got a funnel cloud southwest side by like Hillcrest.
By Hillcrest?
2 minutes.
Yep.
Okay, I also heard there was a touchdown East Peoria by the Convention Center.
By where?
Convention Center? East Peoria.
Okay.
Okay?
Alright, thank you.
Getting hail at Westminster.
20th is moving northeast, so FYI.
3 minutes.
That's going right towards me. 20 from 11, you out on south in the town?
I'm heading that way. I'm on Westminster now. I'm getting hailed on.
Yeah, there is a large cloud just coming from the...
Heavy rotation. I'm on North Main. Medic 1's on here. We have a debris field. Dispatch Medic 1, we're going to go around the back side of Muller Road. Got heavy debris crossing 24.
Medic 1 confirm we copy. Be advised we have no computer-aided system. Officers, be advised we're going to take cover downstairs.
Yeah, Chief, we're out on 24 Kentucky Fried Chicken blocking traffic so nobody drives into this thing. Okay, I got to turn around and get out of here. This thing's coming right at me. Yeah, this thing has got huge, Chief. Big debris field.
All 6, I got tornadoes going down towards Central.
Go ahead, Sam. Now, you got hit. Okay, I'm heading out to I don't know where I'm going right now. I'm just trying to outrun this thing right now. It's chasing me. I'm on Eureka Blacktop.
Dispatch center has no lights, no communication other than a portable.
Go for Paul 6. Paul 6, tornado just crossed Westminster. House is down. Paul 10-4. 5 block. 1400 Hampton.
Washington, Sam 1.
20, I think dispatch might be down.
Dispatch is down. All we have is a portable radio.
Okay, I'm still on.
20, I got damage all over Westgate area. I'm right behind you, I see it. Yeah, Jimmy, just grab a car. I'm here at Westgate, Hampton. There's periodic trees down. Looks like there's some houses down here on Wellington. I'm heading up that way. Power lines down Westgate at the pool. Paul 6, I got no vehicle here. I got to get my family somewhere. And once I get that taken care of, I can come in.
Sam 1 for Medic 1. We got no phone service whatsoever to start mutual aid this way. Okay. Heavy structure damage. Sam 1, we're going to try and get the dispatch.
I have no phone.
Washington, Medic 1. Yeah, this Medic 1.
Get Tazewell, get a hold of anything at Peoria, get everybody up here.
I'm coming back in town on visit 24. I'm going to try to get in the PD and see what's going on there, and I'll update you from there. Yeah, we won't go to dispatch then. 4 though. I just know almost on Hill, Chris. But I'm out of the way of this thing. I can kind of calm down.
12, I'm going to be out in Coventry. I'm going to be attempting to locate people.
Go ahead, Scotty.
Any assistance from us?
Here calls for help in the corner of Westminster.
Engines, ambulances. Stage right now, stage at Fescue. Stage at Fescue.
Washington, trying to dispatch. We have nothing to aid us in that. We have a collapsed basement at 1210.
Try to contact East Peoria by phone or Beacon by phone. Advise them that we're going to need a technical rescue team. We've got heavy damage and a lot of buildings down.
Okay, message received.
Sam 1 from Sam 2. Go ahead. I don't know if you copied dispatch. They have no phones, no cell phones, very limited radio traffic. I'm in Mobile, headed to Peoria and Wilmore to check vitals for my daughter. I can't get through anywhere else. I'll let you know if I've got any damage out this way. Okay, I drove by there. It looked fine. I'm out in Devonshire now. We've got multiple houses down on the ground and wires everywhere. We also have a heavy smell of natural gas. Understood. I can make contact with ASCOM if they can't and have them start dispatching Beacon Fire. Yes, please. Beacon and or East Peoria, we're going to need a technical rescue team. If they don't have them, I want Peoria over here now. For radio communication and multiple technical rescue teams, this end of Devonshire is completely destroyed. I'm multiple walking wounded. Have Morton contact Lifelight, have them land at our central house or our firehouse. Also contact Peoria and St. Francis Streamer team. Have them with. You're staging up to our central house, set up a landing zone for the helicopter. See if you can call Tazewell County EMA. I need a command man up here. I need multiple TRT teams. Call them Mavis, get them up.
Sam
14, 1041 speed.
Right now trying to resolve those issues.
Sam 1, Sam 7.
14, if you can, grab a car, come out here to Westminster, Hampton.
17
Go ahead, Sam 1.
minutes, 12 seconds.
We've been,
Out of 19, I need multiple people on South Cummings.
Quite a few calls.
And
Anything from us.
for multiple houses, multiple people trapped. Trapped.
I've got heavy damage. Devonshire behind the pool is flat.
22 is going to Cummings, north or South Cummings.
Need an engine and a ladder. I can have people
South
move
Cummings,
up
our last street for our jurisdiction, and there's multiple houses gone.
in our firehouse.
Yeah, I'm in route to you.
17 hours, 20
I'll be in route to you also.
Hey, Chief, they're worried this is...
It's someone call Peoria PD and have them start sending over officers from a cell phone.
Sam 1 from Truck 1, you have a lot of heavy the homes on
17
Kensington
hours,
towards
26 minutes,
Cummings.
12 seconds.
Copy that. Okay. I've got Eureka coming to our station with hopefully an engine, a ladder, and ambulances. They're going to stand at our station. Once we get a good feel for what we're looking at, we'll start dispatching resources. Send all the ambulances up to Hampton and Westminster for now. Sam 1 from Sam 2.
2030 units, I can't get through. Washington Road is shut down.
Go ahead, Sam 1. Sam 1, I contacted, got a hold of the Peoria Fire via radio. They're going to let dispatch know we're going to start dispatching DRTC to us. By Medic 1, we are going to go west up here and start walking in there with check operations, see these injuries. Yeah, what I've got, everybody coming that way, get to their house. I'm going house by house, making sure that we get them all out.
My one's at Hampton and Coventry. You need me someplace else? This place is a mess. Hey, Dallas Road in Westminster. Dallas Road in Westminster. I'm going to be sending people there. We can get some vehicles. We're probably going to need some people going to the hospital. I'm getting to out of the house on Westminster.
Where do you guys want on the radio?
Hey, Chester 2, we have a lady trapped at the golf course to pick up.
For right now, once you get a crew, come up to Hampton and Westminster. You're going to have to probably come down to Westminster, though.
Advising I need multiple rescue when they're available on South Cumming. At the residences, I got multiple people that are going to need to be transported. They can't move.
Sam 1, here's the fire 1. Sir, I have one engine, one ladder, one ALF, one support vehicle, D-Max. Will I have a, Worcester County referred to me at 1138 Greenway. We have a female trapped in the house with an injured leg. One from Sam 2.
700 block of Devonshire, completely impassable. I got a tree in the road. I got several citizens in the road. I'll talk to them here.
Like a vacuum cleaner came into the subdivision. The only thing left is the pavement on the street, and was talking to people who are literally just standing there in a dazed state. People were recounting these stories of being in the basement, their entire house is completely sucked off.
I just remember roaring and just being huddled down as close as we could get to one another and just hanging on. And then stuff just started falling on top of us, and I thought we were going to be buried alive, and then all of a sudden it just stopped, and we looked up and saw blue sky, and it was over, and we were alive.
Never take my son with me. It's the first time, but then again, we never have, storms of this magnitude. The time I got here in the parking lot, it was on us.
I thought I was going to get hurt, and I thought our car was going to go up in it, but those parking lots back there saved our lives.
Not sure how long it took for that storm to go over top of us, but it seemed like it took forever. Basically started in the southwest corner of the city of Washington, and it took a path all the way through to the northeast corner of Washington, diagonal path through town. It was on the ground in the city of Washington for approximately 2 to 3 miles, and they estimated it was an eighth to a tenth of a mile wide. As you can see behind me, there's a lot of destruction in the area.
Then my husband came back from church, and I think He got over here around 12:30, and this is what he found. Come on in.
Welcome.
Welcome to my home. So this is what's left of the rest of the bathroom. What used to be the hallway down to our bedroom. This is what's left of the living room. It used to be a cathedral pitched, probably 15-foot ceiling. So that's what's left of that. This used to be the fireplace right here. It's all caved in. So this is essentially my living room. And the dining room used to be there. There's nothing salvageable from these two rooms.
It's amazing that with 400 to 500 homes, they estimate being completely wiped out, that there's only one loss of life. I'm surprised there's not more. Lot of destruction here in this town of Washington.
You found Sydney's owl lady? Oh, that's awesome. Okay, just be careful. I love you too. Bye. My husband just called me and we were so upset because we had no IDs. We have nothing. We don't exist. And he just said that he found my purse. Everything's in it. And our 3-month-old baby girl, she had this owl that she loved. And he found her owl Blanky. So I'm glad that he was able to make it back there. And so little things like that, I mean, just mean the world. Yeah. We just hope that, everyone else, we can all band together and rebuild our neighborhood, and hope everybody that hears this or sees this, please help make donations to Red Cross, gift cards, and it's going to be a long process for everyone here to rebuild, but don't forget about us.